Hi there guys, it's me. I'm back with more planty yarny goodness for you. So today I am actually going to be talking about mushroom ideas. They're so cute, but I don't have any mushrooms. I don't know anyone who has any mushrooms except the grocery store. But I didn't want to have a day where I didn't share a plant friend, so I'm going to show you my friend Rihanna. This is Rihanna because it's an umbrella plant. Do you get the joke? Rihanna, umbrella, Ella, 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 Okay, this is Rihanna. I love this plant. I almost lost this plant. It was much, much bigger, like much, much bigger. And I had a terrible infestation of fungus gnats in almost all of my plants a few years ago. It was a nightmare. For some of the plants that I really loved a lot, I took clippings or cuttings, I don't know. I cut them and rooted them, and this is all that's left of that plant. But it's still beautiful, and I still love her. And like I said, her name's Rihanna, and yeah, she's beautiful. I love her. Okay, so mushrooms. Let's get to it. So I found 5 ideas for mushrooms. No, 4 ideas, excuse me. 4 ideas for mushrooms. One of them is the mushroom purse. This is really super cute, especially in my opinion for the younger gals, you know, teenagers, college age girls. I just think it's really cute. I love it a lot. It's by crochetwithcarrie.com. And it's really cute because to open the purse, you just lift the top of the mushroom up. So that's adorable. All right, the next idea I saw is the mushroom tote bag. This is a pattern I found on Ravelry, and it's by Rachel Veenstra. I think it's super cute. I really love it a lot. It's really put together kind of like granny square style. It's just a really cute tote bag, and I love it, and it's probably super useful, and it's free. It's a free download, so check that one out. Next idea I've got here are the crochet mushroom patterns. So these are amigurumi, and it's by thorsbycottage.com. Super, super cute. I love these little guys. I think they're so cute. And I almost think if you put a little bit of like beanbag material at the bottom of them, it might help them to stand up really cute, you know? Even just like a little rock or something in there, and then you could put them in a pot. I think they're cute. I think they're adorable. Love them. So cute. Lots of people really like mushrooms. The last idea, and it's my favorite of the mushrooms, is the Mushroom and Fairy House free crochet pattern. So there's a few of these, and I found them on yourcrochet.com. So it's mix and match mushroom free crochet pattern, and it is by Skein Spider. Now when you open this up, it does tell you that there is a YouTube video. So what I did was I put the link to the YouTube tutorial video right in the notes. So when you open this up, if it's something you're interested in, just look where it says note to self, and it's gonna have the YouTube link, okay? Because I find it so much easier to follow a YouTube video tutorial than a pattern. I can read patterns, but I'd much rather watch a video because I'm lazy. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna put Rihanna back in the window. She needs some sunlight, and it's still kind of cloudy out there. So we need to go give her some light and take a little break, and we'll see you tomorrow for some more yarny planty goodness. Okay, everybody, have a great day. Bye-bye.